Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting the specific page. Place your cursor at its start, then insert a section break, next page. This creates an independent area so changes won't affect the whole document. Once done, make sure the break is exactly where the page begins. That precision prevents later layout spillover. You're preparing the document structure now so the single page can use a different orientation without altering the rest of your file. With the cursor inside the section you created, open Layout and choose Orientation, Landscape. Don't stop there. Open Page Setup and confirm Apply to this section so only that page flips. Once set, adjust margins and reposition headers or footers because Landscape widens the text area. If you have objects like tables or images, resize them to fit the new width. This step both changes how content appears and finish by putting a section break, next page immediately after the landscape page, so following pages revert to portrait. Make sure headers and footers are unlinked between sections if you need different content, otherwise they'll copy across. If things go wrong, content shifting or margins changing, recheck that breaks are in the right spots and nudge margins slightly. Small adjustments usually fix flow issues. This ensures one isolated landscape page while preserving the rest of the document.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.